Once upon a time, a merchant owned a donkey named Coco. Every morning, he loaded salt sacks onto Coco's back, and they walked together to the market across the river. One day, while crossing a shallow stream, Coco slipped and fell into the water. When he stood up again, he felt that the load had become much lighter. The water had dissolved some of the salt. The next day, as they came to the same stream, Coco remembered what had happened. He pretended to fall again. The salt melted, and Coco enjoyed carrying less weight. This continued for many days. The merchant began to realize that Coco was cheating him, so one morning, the merchant loaded sacks full of cotton instead of salt. As usual, Coco fell into the stream, but this time, the cotton soaked up the water and became very heavy. Coco struggled to walk, and he groaned under the weight. The merchant said, "You've learnt your lesson, haven't you?" From then on, Coco stopped pretending and did his work honestly.